Hey, let me quickly show you how you can use navbar on the Samsung Galaxy A26 5G. So first of all, when we are gonna lock the screen, the navbar will be available just right here, and when you tap on it once, we can expand, and when you're gonna click and hold it, you can also open some settings of the current apps that is actually running in the navbar. If you are using multiple apps at the same time that are actually available for the navbar, you can just swipe up and down to change between them. So now if I want to open the clock, I have to just click on it one more time and unlock my screen. There we go. And now if you want to manage navbar on this phone, you can simply go into settings, move into lock screen. Now select navbar, and you have to simply turn off access for all apps that you don't want to use, but the same if you want to use them. So simply turn them on back. The same looks for the media player, the current mode, and if you want to get more apps right here, and then you have to basically check on the Samsung website which one is actually supported currently. So I don't have a lot of apps on my phone. It's like after the first setup, but if you download some more apps, then you should also find them just right here in this extension.